welcome to this week's edition of CGConnect, brought to you by Clifford, Gouldson lawyers. Today I thought I'd speak with you a little bit about what clients should do before they go and see their solicitor. In our experience, the more organised the client is, the less time that is generally wasted in our first interactions with the client. Now, obviously you're not lawyers, you're not experienced in engaging with solicitors in many instances. So you can be forgiven for not necessarily appreciating the process and what it is that you should do to make that process a little bit more seamless. But think about it from this perspective. Imagine if you went to a solicitor and you had already identified the key documents and you already had them gathered together in a bundle. Imagine you had prepared a bullet point summary of the issues as you see them that you want advice upon. And imagine if you also had considered what it was that you wanted to achieve. What were your goals in relation to getting that advice from the solicitor? If you've done those three things and gathered that information into a bundle, documents together, identified the key issues and your concerns and your goals and aspirations, that will make the job of your solicitor much easier when it comes to that first meeting. Most lawyers charge by their time. So if they spend an hour in a first meeting taking your instructions, generally you'll be charged for that hour. And hourly rates of lawyers are not cheap. We acknowledge this. One of the things that you can do is think about whether or not you need to have that first meeting before the solicitor has had an opportunity to review those documents and review your issues statement and your goals statement. Sometimes giving that to the lawyer before you have a meeting can save a bit of time. Not always, but sometimes. And certainly when you're thinking about engaging a lawyer, why don't you talk to the lawyer about that? Ask the question, what will be more efficient? If I come in and sit down with you and talk about this particular matter, or if I send you a bunch of documents, identify the issues that I want advice upon, and tell you the goals I have in relation to the matter. And the solicitor should be able to, after a very brief discussion, indicate to you which he or she thinks might be more efficient. So, when you're dealing with CG law, certainly we encourage conversation about that, and we're always prepared to receive documents and an issue statement and a goal statement first, before we then proceed to incur costs and charge you for the time we spend on the matter. So think about that when you're next reaching out to a solicitor for advice, and obviously if you're reaching out to Clifford Gouldson lawyers, we're very happy to accommodate those sorts of discussions to give as much fee certainty and efficiency as possible to your interaction. Until we speak again, all the best to you, your business and your family. Bye-bye.